So, hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a health, career, and finances reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of December 2025. It might or might not resonate with you as it's a general reading. I'm not a medical practitioner. Please seek medical advice if you have health issues. Okay, I'm not a career counselor. Please take help from a career counselor if you have issues in that area of your life. Just energy check-in. It might or might not resonate. If it does, you can seek the guidance, and if you feel like, otherwise you have a free will, right? For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And if you want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. So let's start. Taurus, let's see about your health. I'm strongly feeling I should use another deck. Just give me 1 second, honey. Okay, so let's see, Taurus, about your health for this month. What we have: Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus, or rising. Your health for this month. So we have 10 of swords. The worst is over, right? You might get some kind of health issue, and it's going to peak a little bit more, and then boom, it's going to be like the worst is over kind of a deal for you guys, Taurus. So some kind of health issues that is ongoing, or you had some kind of major health issue, and now you're feeling like, oh my god, I have like I had a strong battle, I fought the battle. The worst is over when it comes to health. It's like a brand new beginning. uh, 10 of swords represent 9 of swords plus ace of swords. So you were continuously worried and scared and creating scenarios and stories, but you are going to finally get the proper clear cut understanding of what was happening, and you will be able to find the solution as well. So the worst is over when it comes to your health, especially around the 10th of December onwards. Your health is going to improve. It will start improving. Let's see the guidance for you guys in your health. Beware of back injuries, health related issues regarding back injuries. If you had gone through some kind of major surgery, please do like take care of yourself. Don't be in this casual energy. Yes, the guidance is 5 of Pentacles. So simply it means that the whatever you are going to do with your health, your health is going to give you the returns accordingly. If you are not going to take care of your health, you are going to suffer. If you are going to take care of your health and do whatever it takes to keep your health on track, you are going to be fine. So feeling like a victim, feeling left out in the cold, feeling like, oh my god, the universe is punishing me, and why the universe is against me, why am I falling sick, and all that, it's not going to work out. You have to get out of your victim mindset, and you have to do whatever it takes to keep your health on check and keep your health on track. Yeah, you are responsible for your health, Taurus. Nobody else is to blame here, right? So take the charge of your health in your own hands and do whatever it takes to keep your health on track. And I do see right now you might not be feeling very good about your health. I myself is not feeling well. I'm Taurus Sun, so I can understand it, but I'm not in the victim mode. I'm in this empowered mode of, okay, I'm going to take care of myself, right? So the worst is going to be over very soon, but whatever you are going to feed into your body, into your mind, into your soul is going to have direct impact on your physical health also. Keep that in mind. Big time. Taurus people are foodie, lazy sometimes, and they love food. They love eating food, fine wine, fine dine, luxurious, and all that things. But you should have a limit. This is your health, right? I don't care. I care, but I don't care, right? Let's see. Okay, if you are working for others or doing job, let's see how it is going to be for you, Taurus. कैसी भला शब होगी वो. 3 of Pentacles. So with the help of someone, if you are working on a group work or group project or something, you are going to get success here. You are going to get some kind of success, victory, some kind of name, fame, especially if it is a group project or something. And or if you feel like taking help from somebody like a superior or somebody who is expert, you will be able to get some kind of solution to a problem that you are facing in your job or career area. But all in all, your work life or your job thing is going to go well. I don't see any major troubles here. I don't see issues here. But yeah, your job thing is going to go well, so do not refrain from taking help from somebody if you are having some kind of any kind of issues in your job thing. Okay, honey, let's see the guidance there for you guys. Ace of Wands, okay. There is some kind of opportunity that's dependent on this project of yours or current job of yours. Give your best in your work area, Taurus. I don't have to say this to Taurus people, but anyways, give your best from your side in your work area, because even if nobody is watching, somebody is watching, right? Somebody is keeping an eye on you, on your work, and the way you are finishing your task. You might be given a brand new project, a brand new opportunity, or you might be presented with a brand new offer, job offer, and that's going to be quite exciting and life changing for you guys. So give your best and be confident in whatever you are doing, and even if nobody is watching, do your best. Okay, that is the mantra for you guys for this month. Let's see for those of you who are self-employed or business owners, how it is going to be for you guys, Taurus, for this month. Knight of Swords. Okay, something is going to happen very, very unexpectedly. Some kind of changes, some kind of. Okay, it's Knight of Swords. It's like sudden, unexpected changes in your business thing, in your work area, in a job, in your career area, not job. It's like I'm not able to explain it properly, but Taurus, it is going to be some kind of sudden news, sudden kind of shift, sudden kind of changes. Suddenly, out of the blue, you're going to feel like, okay, I should do this also, or I should end this business or start something new. You know, you are going to have a sudden, unexpected kind of energy of, okay, let's do something, let's do it. Out of the blue, you will start something. Either you are going to end something and start a totally different chapter, and or you are going to start something along with your current business or restart something, and it's going to be very sudden and unexpected. Okay, let's see. Let's see the guidance here. I think it's not a good idea to do it in this much impulsive energy. Let's see. Let's see the guidance here. Two of Wands, yes. Take a step back. Yeah. Hold your horses, calm down, and understand the consequences, the pros and cons, and everything of your action when it comes to your business area or your self-employment deal. Okay, because anything done in impulsive energies, whether it's good or bad, can have some kind of what we call the repercussions, some kind of issues, right? So it's not a Taurus energy. It's like somebody feeding you something and you're like, yeah, bingo, do it. No, don't do that. Don't leave your Taurus grounded energy. Take your time, understand about it, think about it properly, like plan it, and then move forward in this direction, and then you can do it, whatever it is. Sudden, unexpected changes in your business thing is not recommended at all. Well planned, well thought, well put, then move forward. Whether it's a new thing or you are redoing, restarting something, whatever it is. Otherwise, I do see things are going fine the way they are right now. I don't see major shifts or major changes negatively or positively in both ways. Let's see. For job seekers or for those of you who are trying to start their new business, maybe another business, another job, or new business, whatever it is, take it how it resonates with you. Three of Cups, wow. So there are very good chances of you finding a new job. There are the timeline is 3rd of December till the 21st of December. There are very good chances of you having some kind of get together, collaboration, partnership, and then finding an opportunity to start a business thing or get a job offer or something. So let's say, for example, you are invited to some kind of get together where other people are also coming from your field. Go there, okay? Go there, have fun, mingle with people. Don't pressurize anybody to hire you or something. Just present yourself in a very confident and beautiful way, and there are very good chances of you grabbing good opportunity, whether it's a job thing or business thing, right? And like you should attend job fairs, you should attend the open interviews, open challenges for business seekers also. But there are very good chances of you having some kind of collaboration or partnership, or you meeting somebody during some kind of get-togethers and fun-loving activities, and you getting the chance to start something very good, whether it's a job thing or business thing. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Taurus. Page of Swords, right? You have to keep yourself up to date. Yeah, you have to keep going ahead with the changing times. The similar thing I got for Aries as well. So honey, you have to keep your resume up to date, you have to keep your skills up to date, and you have to keep everything in a proper systematic way. You have to keep everything organized in a proper and systematic way, Taurus, right? But adding new skills to your life, to your work, to your resume is very very important. In your business thing eyes also, if you are not having updated kind of deals, you might not be able to make it. So you have to change is very very difficult for Taurus people, but change is the only constant. So you have to keep yourself updated, whether it's your job thing or your business thing. Let's see about your finances, my love, for this month. The High Priestess. See, your finances are growing. Your finances are going to grow in silence. Mysteriously, something is going to change in your finances, in your money area. High Priestess is a very very positive card, but it's not like how to explain this to you. Just give me a second. I have to pee. Okay, my love. I'm so sorry. I had to pee. I'm sorry, Taurus. I'm crazy. Anyway, so I was feeling like I should pee before starting the videos, and then I'm like, oh, I drink a lot of water these days. Okay, anyways. So the High Priestess is like everything is happening behind the scenes. You might not be able to say sudden drastic changes in your finances, but the more you are going to align with your money energy, the more you are going to work on your spiritual things, you can say spiritual alignment, the more your money is going to grow. So basically, you feel like the more you are going to be in the abundance mindset, mysteriously and secretively out of nowhere, your money energy will start flowing in a very very positive way, right? And you guys are going to keep your money thing very very secret, and you guys are going to listen to your intuition when it comes to your financial things. That is a very very good thing to do actually, right? Let's see the guidance here. So the more you are going to stay in tune with the money energy, the more it's going to be beautiful and positive for you guys. Let's see the guidance here, Taurus. कैसी भला शब होगी वो जब तू मेरे पास है. The Wheel of Fortune. You know, the divine timing is at play. The wheel is going to turn in your favor very, very soon. So these cards are interconnected here, Taurus. Keep your things to yourself. Keep your financial things to yourself. Do not say too much to anybody actually, until unless it's a very connected family person or someone who can help you, who can actually help you. But 10th of December onwards, your financial energies, your financial gains are going to drastically improve slowly but surely. So the Wheel of Fortune is actually a card of change. If right now things are very positive, very happy-go-lucky, you might see a little bit of delay and a little bit of not so good improvement. If things are slow and you are not able to have that much gains here, things will start going in the positive direction. So the guidance here is keep your things to yourself, let the universe do its job, and just do your own thing, but don't say anything to anyone about your money thing. Just keep going, keep it secret. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.